So this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And this truck in particular comes with some nice upgrades, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch Cooper Discoverer STT Pro tires on there. You've got pocket-style fender flares and bulletproof mudflaps on the front and rear as well, and running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Then here in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more up here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons here for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side, of course, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2 info, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. You can exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seat belts, and driver assistance again. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. We also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center screen, where you have your, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like your My View, you can put all of your most used apps, settings, all of that there for ease of access. You have whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your active park assist, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. This truck does also have a premium B&O sound system, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as your drive mode selector. You have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment for more storage. And then down here, you have a USB and USB-C in this compartment. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed, so it's out of the way, giving you more space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C. But then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top, but that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.